Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to show off how to fold this origami model that I don't know if anybody's made this before, but it just looks pretty cool. So let me know down below if somebody has made it before. But this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a bird, and I think it looks kind of cool. If you look at it like this, it kind of looks like a plane. But it doesn't fly. But, yeah. I'm about to show everybody how to fold it. And you don't need to use a full sheet of paper to do it. I use like... I'm pretty sure you can make like 2 of them from 1 sheet of paper. So, yeah. I'm going to start out with a full sheet of paper. Now, what you have to do is you have to take it and fold it in half, hot dog style. And I'm going to go ahead and make my crease. Try and make your crease as nice as you can. Try and make the sides even. Like this. Now, I don't really like to use scissors, but you can use scissors if you want. I'm not going to, though. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold a triangle like this, as neat as I can. And it should look like this. Now I'm going to fold that down so I have the line that I need to use to... Okay, pretty much I need to follow this line. So I'm going to unfold the triangle, and now I'm going to use my fingernail to make the crease as sharp as I can. And then I'm going to flip that piece over and do that again. Now I'm going to just rip it along that line. And now I got this. Now I need to unfold it like this. And now I need to make like a pyramid. So I'm going to take it and fold it down like this. And I'm going to reverse this piece. And, hold on, I'm going to, well, you need to do it like this. So the 2 flaps are like this, and they are connected like that. So now what you need to do is take it on this side and fold the tip up, not all the way to the bottom, but pretty much all the way. Like, you need to leave that much from the bottom. Then you need to unfold, flip it over. Now what you want to do is you want to kind of collapse it in by using it like this, because you want to use this fold that's like that. You collapse the nose. Where this line is, you want to collapse it to there and bring it down like this. Then you want to take it and then crease it like that. So you should have this. Now what you want to do is, this piece is going to be the tail. So, you want to crease it like this to make it to where it's pointy like that. Now do that with the other side. And actually, to make the head, take this piece and pull it up a little bit. So it's like this. And this is what the top piece would look like. Now, to make the wings, you need to fold these pieces down and align it with the bottom of the bird. And then you should get this, and then just pull these back up, and there you go. You got the bird. And I feel like this might be one of my new favorite origami builds to do. I mean, I was just goofing off in school when I folded this. So, let me know what you think. If you think it's pretty cool and you folded one for yourself, then let me know. And if somebody's already made one of these, then let me know as well. And tell me what it's called. And also let me know what it looks like to you. But this does not fly because it doesn't have any way to fly because of the wings. Actually, I think... Wait a minute. Hold on, I'm going to pause recording a little bit. Okay, no, I just tried and no, it does not fly. I thought if I turned it over like this, it would fly, but no. But it does look pretty cool. And I guess I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching. I'll see everybody in the next video.